In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your microphone settings on your Windows computer to ensure your input volume is just right for your needs. Whether you're getting ready for a big presentation, setting up for a recording session, or just tweaking your setup for a casual chat with friends, making sure your microphone volume is spot on can make all the difference. So let's dive right into this easy yet essential adjustment process. First things first, let's head over to your desktop. That's the main screen you see when you log into your computer, filled with all your application icons and maybe that family vacation photo you set as your background. Once you're there, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see a little icon that looks like a speaker. That's the volume control. Give it a right click. This action is like giving your computer a quick nudge to let it know you're about to make some sound settings adjustments. From the menu that appears after the right click, go ahead and select Sound Settings. What you'll see next is a new window popping up on your screen. This window is like the control center for all things audio related on your computer. It's where you can make adjustments to ensure your sound system works seamlessly for whatever tasks you have at hand. Now, with the sound settings window open, you might notice a few different sections. We're focusing today on your microphone settings, so let's scroll down a bit. You're looking for the part that lists all the available microphones connected to your computer. If you have multiple microphones or audio inputs connected, make sure to select the one you're intending to use. This ensures that you adjust the correct settings for the right device. Once you've selected your intended microphone from the list, it's time to adjust the input volume. This slider is your tool for determining how loud or soft your microphone input registers. If you find your recordings are too quiet or too loud, this is where you make those changes. Slide it to the right for more volume if your input is too low, or slide it to the left if your levels are peaking too high. Ideally, you want to find a balance where your sound is clear without any distortion. And that's all there is to it. You've effectively adjusted your microphone's input volume, tailoring it to suit your exact needs. Remember, if you ever experience issues with your microphone levels again, you can go through these simple steps to make adjustments. These settings put the control in your hands, making sure you can sound your best no matter the occasion. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.